Roll and lock covers are a solid choice, but with the addition of T-slots, they have raised the bar. The Roll and Lock MXT is a tough cover. With an aluminum cover and a layer of vinyl on top of that, this cover will protect what's in your bed while still looking great. This hybrid cover also gives you 4-season protection from the elements, so rain, snow, or shine, you are protected. The MXT is no ordinary roll and lock cover. They have taken the M Series covers and added the MaxTrak T-slot rail system to make the perfect package. Adding T-slots to the cover gives the ability to add a rack or other T-slot accessories from your favorite brands. And being able to carry things above the bed frees up bed space for more gear or coolers for those longer days on the trail. Roll and Lock thought about the truck owner when designing the usability of this cover. Just use the key to unlock the cover and push the cover open towards the cab, and it retracts into its compact canister. The unique frictionless construction means that you can open and close the cover with ease. They have also added an insulated handle for easy gripping. The MXT can open, lock, and close without opening the tailgate. And like with other roll and lock covers, the MXT can be opened to multiple positions depending on what you are loading. If you're interested in purchasing the MXT bed cover by Roll and Lock or looking to have one installed, check out the dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.